Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we're unboxing something a little bit different. So, when I went to Spencer's Gifts to purchase the lava lamp, because they always carry awesome lava lamps, this is not sponsored by the way, I found something really neat. So this is the Witchcraft Starter Kit. It's 6 pieces. And it retails for $39.99. And again, I will link where you can purchase this down in the description box below. Again, not sponsored, not affiliated. I just thought it was really cool and something that you might be interested in. So, what's inside? Well, we've got an altar cloth. We've got the chest that it comes in, a spell journal, a crystal pendant, which we're going to be checking to see if it's crystal or resin. And then a cauldron candle holder with tea light candle. And then something I thought was really super interesting too. I don't know if it means that the runes are stamped or if they're actually like stamps that you stamp a paper with, but we'll see. Rune stamps with pouch. So I figured for $40, that's at least worth a couple of the items in there. So we're getting a lot. Like I couldn't buy this chest for $40. So let's get into it. I'm kind of excited. So it's nicely built, this chest. It's got the foiling, gold foil, if you look at it this way, the triple moon with the pentacle, and it's got a clasp here. So, ooh, okay, we ready? Oh, all right. Oh, I was kind of hoping for something cute there, but that's all right. Okay, so how about, okay, well, let's see. This is how it's packed up. So I'm assuming these are the runes. This is the cauldron candle holder. So that's really cool that they're kind of like individually boxed up so they don't like fall apart. Oh, we have the necklace in here. The don't eat pouch. So we'll just toss that. And then we have the altar cloth. And another little pouch. Toss that. Ooh, okay. And then we have the spell journal. It actually has a latch on it, so that's really cool. All right, we'll put you aside for a second. Let's go ahead and test out the pendant here. I really, ooh, love the box that it's in. Check that out. Interesting. Okay. You know how I get, like, I want to make sure it's like the real deal. I want to kind of bite it. But it's not terrible. It's really pretty. I don't know if it's glass or the actual stone. Like, I really can't tell. So just keep that in mind. I want to give them the benefit of the doubt and say that that's an actual amethyst, but you never know. You can never be too sure. So, and I'm not an expert, so I couldn't tell you either way. But for something that comes in a kit, that's really cute. And you can use this as a pendulum as well. It's long enough to where you can hold it and do your pendulum work this way. So see how it's already going? So you can ask it to show me a no. Okay, so back and forth is going to be a no. Okay. And show me a yes, please. So a yes is going to be a circle. And all of your pendulums that you use, they might show different yeses and different nos. So it's a very personal thing for you and the pendulum. So, I mean, that's exactly what I would use this for, as a pendulum. All right, moving along. I do have a video if you're interested in learning more about pendulums. I will link it in the eye up there, whichever direction it shows up in, and you can learn a little bit more about pendulums. Okay, and next let's take a look at the altar cloth. I really love the color choices with the purple and the gold. And also, if you like have someone who's into this kind of stuff, it would be a very cool gift. It's not a bad price for all that you're getting so far. I'm impressed. It is a very pretty altar cloth. It has the moon phases on it and the symbols there. It is a little see-through, a little thin, but that's okay. It's an altar cloth. It's not supposed to be, you know, this big dramatic thing unless you really want it to be. Again, everybody's practice is different and very personal. So I'm not mad about this. I really like the colors. Definitely excited. You could use this as a tarot card cloth, or you can use it as an altar cloth like it suggests. Okay, then let's go into the journal. I can't decide whether I am happy that they're all individually packaged or not. I feel like it might be a little excessive, but at the same time, it shows you that it's not being messed with. So, I mean, there's that. Okay, ooh. So we do have, they are embossed as well. It feels like the fake leather. So matching the altar cloth. We have a latch here. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. Not bad. So everything is themed, and I like that is all kind of matching. So if you're just starting out, it's very cohesive. It's very nice. This could make a very good journal in general, or it could be a very good like recipe book for your different spells or your book of shadows, however you want to use it. There's enough pages in here to kind of start out with, or you can use this too as a tarot journal. So depending on how you want to use this little starter kit, I mean, for me, I would probably use this as like a tarot journal, write my daily pulls, that sort of a thing, or, you know, just a journal in general, because for me, this isn't that big of like what I would use a book of shadows for. But if you're just starting out, this is a perfect size, because as you go along in your practice, you'll add more and more and more, and you'll probably have more than one book of shadows. Just throwing that out there, at least in my experience. I have stuff all over the place, as well as like Pinterest boards that kind of work as my book of shadows too. So yeah, it's again a very personal thing, your practice, but at least this gives you some tools to kind of start out with. So let's take a look at your Cauldron candle holder with tea light candle. So this honestly would make a great gift, because everything is kind of like a surprise when you open it. Little surprises, and it's definitely nice and packaged with the styrofoam, so it's not gonna break. Oh, there it is. Oh, you know what you could do with this is add a little essential oil up here and light it with, okay, the candle is a little rough. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that is a far cry from an awesome candle, but you know, it's in the kit, so yeah, definitely can probably put some essential oil up there, have it heat up and smell really well and really good in your environment. Ooh, that's so cute. Let's see, burning instructions. Burn in proper holder, trim wick to 1/4 of an inch before lighting. Keep wax pool free of debris. Only burn on a level fire resistant surface, and do not burn for more than 4 hours. All right. Very cute. Okay. I'm like, this is my favorite so far. Okay. So let's take a look lastly at the Rune bag here. And I'm very impressed with the little bag. It's very cute, fake velvet. Like, it's kind of like the velour. I guess that's what fake velvet is. I don't know. All right. Okay. Ooh, they are stamps. Oh my gosh. How cute though. I have not seen something so cute and so fun. Okay. So Rune alphabet mini guide. Okay. And then it does give you the alphabet and the meanings. Awesome. Runes are the ancient Nordic alphabet. According to lore, the god Odin created the runic alphabet after divining knowledge by hanging himself from the world tree. He created the runes to help share that knowledge with the world. Besides language, runes were also used to help guide decisions. Each rune has a botha, positive and negative attribute associated with it. So take care when drawing runes for guidance. Oh my god. the fact that they're actual stamps is making me go crazy. I kind of love that. If you are crafty or to use in your journal here, the only thing that it's missing is an ink pad, but those are pretty inexpensive now. But what fun! So you can like pull the runes from the bag, draw a rune, and then stamp it for your daily pull. That's kind of fun. The possibilities here are kind of endless, and I'm really stoked that they're actual stamps. I was kind of like trying to figure out what it was from the description on the box. So this is kind of exciting. I don't know. It might not be for everyone, but I'm kind of really excited about it because I'm very crafty, and this gives you an actual like stamp for your Book of Shadows or your divination journal, whatever you want to do. So it looks like that's it. I am really pleased. I'm pleasantly surprised with everything that's in this box. For $40, I'm not mad at that price at all. And so I definitely think that this would make a great gift, especially since as I am filming this, Christmas and birthdays and celebrations are abundant now that they're starting to come around. So definitely, if you know somebody that is into this kind of stuff, this is like a fun gift because you get more gifts inside the gift. So that's really fun. And it's definitely a great starter kit. It's not that expensive for what you're getting, considering a journal is going to cost you at least $20. That is like this, an altar cloth, 10, so that's 30 right there. And then depending on the quality of a necklace / pendulum, you're going to be spending anywhere from $10 to $30. And then this one here is going to be, $10 to $20 depending on where you would purchase it. And the rune set themselves, stamps are not that inexpensive. So a rune set in general is going to cost you around $10 to $20. And then the box itself. So basically what I'm getting at is you're getting a lot for the price. So $40 may seem a lot. However, when you really start picking it apart separately, it's actually a pretty good deal. So I'm impressed. It's a little bit on the cheaper side of the products. However, if you're just starting out, this is going to get you through a lot. So you're going to have this for a while, and it'll last you until you start adding your own personal pieces into your practice. So I'm honestly more impressed with the box and like excited about the box because I don't have anything like that. But really cute, really great gift idea. And I would love to know what you guys think about it. And the lava lamp matches. Anyway, I would love to know what you think down in the comment section below. Is this something that you would be interested in? Is this something that you think is worth the money? Is it something that you would give as a gift? What do you think about it? Because honestly, it caught my eye and I thought, oh, well, I gotta try it. So let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me, spending your time with me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.